So question number 6, we are told a bag contains 6 red counters and 4 blue counters. 2 counters are picked at random from the bag without replacement. Represent the event using a tree diagram. So you run probability in form 3. So the tree diagram, we can start by drawing the first branch, and you say you can either take a red or you can take a blue. There were 6 red, so you put here it is 6 out of 10, and there were 4 blue, so it is 4 over 10. The second pick, you put it like that. You can either take a red, and because you had picked a red in the first pick, so the number of red counters were 5, so it is 5 out of 9 now, because we have reduced by 1. You had not picked the blue, so remain 4 out of 9 because of the picked red. So we come to the other branch. If you pick the blue, the first pick, you can still pick a red, but this time because you have picked a blue first, red will still remain 6 out of 9. You had picked blue, so you remain with 3 out of 9. So this is blue. So that is how you represent that information using a tree diagram, and you get 1 mark. At B of the question, find the probability that the 2 counters picked are of the same color. So this means that it is a probability you either pick a red, that is a probability of picking a red and a red the same color, or the probability of picking a blue and a blue. So a blue and a blue. So we work with the probability that we have. So that probability, it means that it is a probability of picking a red and a red, or the probability of picking a blue and a blue. So a blue and a blue, which we get it is equals to, the probability of picking a red is 6 out of 10. Again, picking another red is 5 out of 9, plus when we have add, we multiply. Probability of picking a blue, it is 4 out of 10, multiplied by another blue, which is 3 out of 9. So you can simplify here and say this is equals to, you can divide here by 3. So we have let's say you divide here by 3, you get 2. You divide again by 3, you get 3. You divide by 5, you get 2. Divide by 5, you get 1. Divide by 2 there. So here, that fraction, you'll be left with a third. The other one, you can also simplify by 3, you get 3. By 3, you get 1. By 2, you get 5. By 2, you get 2. So this means that you add 2. This will be 2 out of 15, which we can get the LCM. We can use this space here. We get the LCM is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 15 divided by 15 is 1. You multiply by 2, and that should give you 7 over 15. So the probability of picking counters of the same color is 7 over 15. So you covered this in probability form 3, and you should be able to, we should be comfortable solving such kind of a question, and you get yourself a total of 3.